The world is witnessing a monumental shift. China has rapidly transformed. It is now a leading force in global technology. This ascent has been breathtakingly fast. Many in the West watch with a mixture of awe and disbelief. The sheer scale and speed of China's technological advancements are undeniable. It feels like the ground beneath the established tech giants is trembling. The dragon has awakened, signaling a new era. Not long ago, the label "Made in China" primarily signified low-cost manufacturing. The world saw China as its factory, assembling products designed elsewhere. This was a crucial phase for China's economic development, lifting millions out of poverty. It provided the foundation for what was to come. But the nation's leaders and its people had greater aspirations. They understood that true global influence and sustainable prosperity would come from innovation, not just assembly lines. The ambition was to move up the value chain, from making products for others to creating their own intellectual property and global brands. This was a conscious, determined pivot. The Chinese government played a crucial role, launching ambitious national strategies. Massive investments were poured into research and development. Educational reforms focused on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. Special economic zones, initially designed for manufacturing, evolved into vibrant tech hubs. Think of the Made in China 2025 plan, a clear signal of the country's intent to become a high-tech superpower. This top-down support, combined with a dynamic bottom-up entrepreneurial spirit, created a potent mix for rapid technological advancement. Cities like Shenzhen are emblematic of this incredible journey. Once a sleepy fishing village, it transformed into a global epicenter for hardware innovation and tech startups. This ambition, coupled with a massive domestic market that allows for rapid scaling, has turned China into an innovation powerhouse, a nation truly reimagined. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of China's technological ambitions. The government has declared AI a strategic priority, aiming for global leadership by 2030. This is not just rhetoric, it is backed by substantial policy support and massive funding. The Next Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan, released in 2017, laid out a clear roadmap. It detailed goals for breakthroughs in AI theory, technology, and application. This national strategy has galvanized academia, industry, and investors, creating a powerful, unified push towards AI supremacy. One of China's most significant advantages in the AI race is data. AI algorithms, particularly deep learning, thrive on vast amounts of data. China, with its enormous population of over 1.4 billion people, has this in abundance. Furthermore, the widespread adoption of digital payments, e-commerce, and social media generates an unprecedented torrent of data daily. This data-rich environment provides a unique training ground for AI models, allowing them to learn and improve at an accelerated pace, an edge that is hard for other nations to replicate. The rapid implementation of AI in daily life across China is remarkable. This proactive approach ensures that China's influence in the AI domain will continue to grow. When discussing AI in China, Baidu is a name that immediately comes to mind. Traditionally known as China's leading search engine, Baidu has made a decisive pivot towards artificial intelligence. It is now an AI-first company, investing heavily in research and development across various AI domains. One of its most prominent initiatives is Apollo, an open platform for autonomous driving. Apollo aims to provide a comprehensive solution for self-driving cars, attracting numerous partners from the automotive and tech industries. Baidu's commitment to AI is evident in its talent acquisition, its state-of-the-art research labs, and its aggressive deployment of AI-powered services and products. Baidu's AI capabilities extend far beyond autonomous vehicles. The company has developed its own deep learning platform, Paddle, which is widely used by developers and researchers in China. This platform empowers others to build sophisticated AI applications. Baidu's AI cloud services offer businesses access to powerful AI tools, from natural language processing and computer vision to voice recognition. These technologies are being applied in diverse sectors, including healthcare, finance, and smart city management. Baidu is not just developing AI for itself, it is building an ecosystem that fosters AI innovation across the entire Chinese economy, solidifying its position as an AI titan. Section 5. Connecting Tomorrow. Huawei and the global 5G surge. The fifth generation of wireless technology, or 5G, is more than just faster internet on our smartphones. It is a foundational technology poised to unlock a new wave of innovation. 5G promises ultra-low latency, massive connectivity, and significantly higher bandwidth. Recognizing its strategic importance, China has made 5G development and deployment a national priority. At the heart of China's 5G prowess is Huawei. Despite facing immense international pressure and scrutiny, Huawei has emerged as a global leader in 5G technology and equipment. Years of sustained, massive investment in research and development have given Huawei a significant edge in terms of patents, technological sophistication, and cost-effectiveness of its 5G solutions. The company's engineers have been pivotal in shaping global 5G standards. Huawei's comprehensive portfolio, spanning from network infrastructure to consumer devices, allows it to offer end-to-end 5G solutions. Section 6. The Electric Revolution. BYD spearheading the green drive. China is aggressively championing the transition to green technology, driven by a dual imperative: to combat severe domestic air pollution and to achieve greater energy independence. This national commitment has created fertile ground for the rapid growth of the electric vehicle industry. The Chinese government has implemented a comprehensive suite of policies to support EV adoption, including generous subsidies for buyers, investment in charging infrastructure, and production quotas for manufacturers. As a result, China has become the world's largest market for electric vehicles, both in terms of production and sales, for several years running. This green drive is not just an environmental policy, it's a strategic industrial one. Within this booming EV landscape, BYD, Build Your Dreams, has emerged as a true global powerhouse. Originally a battery manufacturer, BYD astutely leveraged its expertise in battery technology to become a leading producer of electric vehicles. Section 7. Beyond Borders. China's tech influence reshapes the globe. The ripple effects of China's technological advancements are extending far beyond its own borders, fundamentally reshaping the global tech landscape. Chinese companies are no longer just participants, they are increasingly setting new standards in areas like mobile payments, e-commerce, and AI applications. The sheer volume of production and innovation coming out of China has a significant impact on global supply chains. For many tech components and finished products, the world relies heavily on Chinese manufacturing and engineering expertise. This interdependence means that China's technological trajectory has direct consequences for businesses and consumers worldwide, creating both opportunities and challenges. Chinese tech companies are actively expanding their global footprint. This expansion is sometimes facilitated by initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative, which includes a digital Silk Road component aimed at improving digital infrastructure and connectivity in participating countries. Section 8. A new tech world order, navigating intense competition. The rapid ascent of China as a technological superpower has elicited a strong reaction from the United States. What began as surprise has morphed into deep concern and a concerted effort to formulate a response. American policymakers and industry leaders now openly acknowledge China as a strategic competitor in technology. This has led to a range of policy changes, including increased scrutiny of Chinese investments in U.S. tech companies, export controls on critical technologies, and efforts to bolster domestic innovation and manufacturing capabilities. The rhetoric has sharpened, and the concept of a tech rivalry between the two nations has become a defining feature of the current global landscape. Discussions around decoupling or de-risking supply chains have gained traction in Washington and other Western capitals. Section 9. Conclusion. Tomorrow's tech landscape, forged today. China's journey in the realm of technology has been nothing short of extraordinary. In just a few decades, it has transformed from a nation primarily known for manufacturing into a global leader in cutting-edge innovation. The perception of China as an imitator is now a distant memory, replaced by the reality of a country that pioneers in fields like AI, 5G, and electric vehicles. It is no longer an underdog striving to catch up. It is a frontrunner setting the pace in many critical areas. This remarkable ascent has fundamentally altered the global balance of technological power, and its implications will be felt for generations to come. The world is watching China's every move with keen interest. The decisions made in Beijing, Shenzhen, and Hangzhou now have a profound impact on global markets, technological standards, and the future direction of innovation. How China chooses to wield its growing tech influence will shape the 21st century in significant ways. Understanding the forces driving China's tech leadership, its ambitions, and its impact is crucial for anyone seeking to comprehend the dynamics of our rapidly evolving world.